What's up, bro? What you gotta say? What you gotta say to the vlog, bro?
What you gotta say? That's my man Terry. What up, you cool cats and kittens? Today we have a little vintage clothing unboxing, shall we say. It's a shame. I'm waiting on a package from Canada. Wanted to include it, but it's coming too late. But nonetheless, we have some good finds today. And a really special package in the last. But you know, we're gonna kick it off. I ordered this weeks ago, but got delivered to the wrong place, but here it is. What do we got here? What do we got? Ooh. Yes, sir. There we go, the Smiths self-titled album shirt. This is not from the 80s when it actually came out, which is a shame, but I would have had to pay like $300, $400 for that. No, I'm not looking to do that. This is from, it's from 04 actually. The 20th anniversary of said album came out in 1984. Cool, nice maroon color, good material. I'm a fan. It's pretty cheap too, so there's that. This one's a funny one. It's a shame that 3 of these are from the early thousands, but a lot more 90s stuff coming in. This is, so thank you for your order. Appreciate this guy. I did a little trade. Got rid of some shirts that I loved, but you know, you gotta rotate your closet every once in a while. There we are. It's the first item. There's 2 in here. Ooh, super well worn in. I love it. Ooh. This is heat. A little asymmetric Nike Fire Gray Tag. You already know. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. It's super soft. Wildly soft. Super worn in. I love it. Oof. This is fire. Awesome. And I love how it's off to the side. That's like some, it's like some design shit right there. Anywho, there's that. Boom. And this one's kind of a crazy one, the last one. There we go. Right now?
Yeah, right now. We can't have to eat.
I'm back. Sorry for the quick hiatus. To go to the grocery store, get a large amount of food. So let's put that pleasant interruption aside, shall we? So I just opened this with the lovely Beaverton Nike crew neck, and I took out this white shirt. What do you think is on this shirt? This heavy, who knows, maybe a sports tee? Who knows? Who knows? Oh my god. Oh. Boom. Yes. Glittery Obama. Who would have thought? Rap tee of all presidential rap tees. Asking you to believe. Sick. Heavy material too. I like it. What is this on? I've never heard of that brand. But anyhow, smells old. You like it? It's from 08. I have another Obama tee somewhere in there from 08 as well. No 2012 stuff, nothing after 2010. No. There we go. And the last, but very much not least, this one I've been debating buying one of these types of shirts for a long time now, but I've always thought they're too expensive. But you know, I buckled down and I bought the Pink Floyd wall tee. That was expensive, but I love it. I love the album. I said, you know, waited long enough. Let's put that offer in and see what happens. And the offer was accepted, so I bought it. Oh, yo. Oh, come on now. From the muddy banks of Wishkah. Boom. 96 Nirvana tee. Check it out. Single stitch action. You know we don't do anything else. Fire. Absolute heat. The date, the copyright date is all but completely faded. There's a little hole. He didn't say anything about the hole, but oh my gosh. It is so well worn in. This is amazing. Oof. Heat. So yeah, there's no unboxing for the day. More to come. Cuties. But for now, Sarge Man signing out. Man who sent me out the Obama and Beaverton crew also included a little gift. Thank you. Vintage heart, that's his thing. Little slide. We got a Meowth card. It's a PSA 10 on this one. We got some exhausted tackle. Basic, yeah. Cool. And then we have some, looks to be vintage Coke cards. Got a 94 trademark right here. So that's sick. We got a post-up girl drinking some Coke. Yeah. And then boom, we got a nice little couple down at the malt shop. Big ups. Big ups.